To make a quick screen recording of whatever's in the background of your computer. So in order to get to Screencast-o-matic.com, you type in this web address that you can see up here at the top, Screencast-o-matic.com, and it brings you to this page. Make sure you have up in the background whatever you want to be recording. Today I'm going to be recording major events of the Pacific Theater. So when you're ready, you have to make sure that you allow the Java the first time you go here, and you must go to Screencast-o-matic in Internet Explorer for it to work. So hit start recording when you're ready, and then a launch box will pop up. Make sure you click OK or allow if prompted. This is the part where you will need to allow the Java. You can change the size of this box however you want so that it captures your screen correctly. I just want it to fit around this presentation right here. So I'm going to adjust it so it does that. You can also decide if you want to just record the screen, which is what I'm doing right now. Just record your webcam. We're going to use the integrated one in the computer. Or if I want to do both and have the webcam here in the bottom. You can also decide if you want the webcam full screen, in the corner, or at the bottom. I'm going to just do the screen for this moment, but you might want to consider including your webcam. If you were playing a video, you want to make sure you're recording computer audio in there. When you're ready to record, you want to click record, and you'll get a countdown of 3, 2, 1, and then you can start speaking and it will record how long. You have 15 minutes maximum of recording space. When you are done recording, hit pause, and then you can play it back if you would like to see it. You can throw it away and start over, or you can hit done. You are going to save this as a video file on your computer. Make sure you save it. You can leave it as an MP4. Make sure you call it whatever your teacher wants you to call it, and then put it on your H drive. So that it's safe. And then hit OK. As soon as you're ready, you can hit publish, and that will save the video to your H drive. And then to turn it in, you want to go to your Google Classroom and attach it as a file there. Here, and we are going to attach a file. Oops. I have to be a student. Okay, we'll go here and we'll attach a file. Okay, you go to add, and then from your Google Drive, or you can just upload your file. So go to File, and then you're going to find the file on your computer. I have to find my video. I called it Pacific. And you open it, and you upload it. And then you can turn in your work. Your teacher will be able to watch your video. And that's how you make a Screencast-o-matic video. Thank you.